If the sun were to suddenly lose its power, i.e., stop emitting light and heat. Immediate effects, minutes to hours. Darkness. Within about 8 minutes and 20 seconds, the time it takes light to travel from the sun to Earth, the Earth would plunge into perpetual darkness. The stars would be brilliantly visible. Temperature drop. While the Earth has some stored heat in its atmosphere and oceans, the surface temperature would begin to drop rapidly. The side facing away from the sun would cool first, but soon the entire planet would experience a dramatic temperature decrease. Short-term effects, days to weeks. Global cooling. Average global surface temperatures would drop below freezing, 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit, within a week. Within a few months, they would likely plummet to around -100 degrees Celsius, -150 degrees Fahrenheit. Plants would die very quickly as they rely on sunlight for photosynthesis. This would halt the primary production of oxygen and food at the base of most of Earth's ecosystems. Herbivores would starve without plants. Carnivores would starve after the herbivores are gone. Marine life dependent on phytoplankton, which also photosynthesize, would die off. Water freezes. Oceans would begin to freeze over, starting from the surface. Eventually, much of the Earth's water would turn into a thick layer of ice. Medium-term effects. Months to years. Atmosphere freezes. As temperatures continue to drop to extreme lows, below -200 degrees C or -330 degrees F, the Earth's atmosphere itself would begin to condense and freeze. Oxygen would liquefy and then solidify, followed by nitrogen, falling to the surface as snow. This would leave Earth as an airless, frozen rock. Most life extinct. Almost all life on Earth's surface would be extinguished. The only potential survivors might be extremophile microorganisms deep within the Earth's crust, or near geothermal vents at the bottom of the now ice-covered oceans, which rely on geothermal heat rather than solar energy. Humans would not survive long without sophisticated, self-sustaining underground habitats powered by geothermal or nuclear energy. Surface survival would be impossible due to the extreme cold, lack of breathable air, and absence of food. Long-term effects. Frozen wanderer. Earth would continue to orbit the now dark sun, as gravity would still be in effect unless the sun also lost its mass. It would become a frozen, lifeless, or nearly lifeless planet. Loss of heliosphere. The sun's solar wind creates a protective bubble around the solar system called the heliosphere, which shields us from some interstellar cosmic radiation. Without it, Earth would be more exposed, though this would be a minor concern compared to the freezing.